This is the after video of the, it was weird, wasn't it? The painted, the varnished Hoover Junior 119. I'm going to come straight out and say that yes, I have repainted the hood. So keep in mind during this video that no, I cannot get it to come out like that by cleaning alone. That is the only thing that I have repainted. Everything else is as it was, with a little extra addition. Let's have a look. Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner chums. Oh, that's another vacuum that needs a little bit of a dust because I've left it for too long. How are you today? Yes, this belongs to the follower, friend and fellow collector of mine who wanted it made, safe and looked at. And it is another classic example of a tatty, scrappy Hoover Junior 119 turning into an absolute beauty just with a little bit of effort. Now, yes, I have repainted the hood. There was no point. I got to the stage where I could see the varnish on top, but I had to chip away at it. I just thought, no, it was a lovely day anyway. I had it painted within 5 minutes. It was already fully stripped down. There was just no reason not to. The bumper came up very nicely indeed. Front plate is as good as it's going to be. The Baker light, in fact, if we just, oh look, you can see that I've tested it. Remove this. Look, the Baker light hood is absolutely gorgeous. I had no end of trouble with those carbon brush end caps as well. If you have a Hoover Junior 119, please check they turn and put a small smear of copper slip on them because they were seized. I've had to replace one of them. Can show the bag, because yes, this has my SIBO bag conversion in it, so we shall fit that back into place. Should be fine, because yes, it's not the original bag, but again, it detracts the eye better than a grey bag or an orange bag or any other bag. So yeah, it's been washed. It now puffs up very nicely as well. And then as I come to this side, we need to unwind the cable. Yes, I put on the same cable actually from the same drum as the Hoover 612 that we looked at not terribly long ago. So I'm going to get this unwound, plug it in, and I'll turn it on for you. Here we go. So all this has had is new brush rod bearings and a new belt. Everything else is as it left the factory whenever that was. That's quite handy that it has a nice SIBO bag in it because I can actually clean up. I was hoping that I unboxed a Hoover Constellation before filming this and I was hoping it would have tools, but it didn't, so we have to use an upright Hoover. That's not touching the rug as much as I'd like. Hang on, let me just do some troubleshooting. Yeah, well, after a couple of minutes of checking wheels and brush rolls, etc., it seems it's no more horrific than it just hates that rug. Listen. There's the Hoover. Beats as it speaks, as it cleans noise. Doesn't like these plastic beads the best. Oh, very chewed up there. Ooh, smashy, smashy. But do you know what? When you're not trying to pick up stupid little multicoloured plastic beads and you're just using your old Hoover in your house because you enjoy using your old Hoover in your house, you're going to be absolutely fine. Oh gosh, with all of this. You know what, I'm not even going to bother winding the cable up. I'm going to put that there, and I'm actually going to bring this in as well, because this belongs to the same guy, yes. So he now has a beautiful 40s and 50s, you know, that pretty much could be absolutely bang on. Hoover Junior, and a very lucky eBay find, the first dustet ever, Hoover Dustet 100. So there we go, something fun to round off. You can have a look at somebody else's dream pair, because again, you could do your stairs and your chairs with your dustet, and you could do your carpets and the edges if you had your tools with the Hoover. So there we go. This Hoover Junior 119, I couldn't revive the paintwork, it had to be painted, but it is much better for it. Ready for somebody to just use as a Hoover Junior 119. He just wanted one, and now he's got what I consider to be a very honest good one. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.